how you know it's too early. When the sun's not even up, bro. What's up, guys? We want you another video. Very early morning today. I'm freaking tired. Probably got like 3 hours of sleep, but today's a big car meet. It's a BBS meet too. So today we're about to see the most amount of BBS wheels I've ever seen, probably in one place. We got Kevin here with BBSs, of course. We got my boy Louie over there with BBS LMs on the CS. Of course, my car has the BBS LMs as well. So are they played out, yes or no? We're gonna find out today. I might be the only one though. Actually, I'm pretty sure I'm the only one that's gonna be there today with two different color wheels. So I got black on this side and then polished on the other side. I don't think anyone has that, but we'll see. The car is completely empty. It's gonna be a expensive one, brother. It's gonna be a lot. But these colors look hard together. We look like some Skittles, bro. Oh, we got more Skittles, look at. There's no way. We got the whole rainbow here. But look, BBSs. What's up, Mark? Where the BBSs at? BBSs. Damn, bro, this is gonna be crazy. The whole Beamer squad. Oh, my boy just scrapes the most expensive lip and doesn't even care. We for real look like Skittles, dude. Damn, I feel kind of left out, guys, that I'm not in a BMW. I should have just bought the F80, but nah, I have to. I'm telling you guys, wait till we get to the meet today and see how many BBS wheels there are. It's gonna be ridiculous, to be honest. Where's everyone getting this money, bro? Because I know these aren't cheap. I still want one, guys. I'm gonna build one day. What's up, G? Hell no, I'm not ready. I'm half asleep. Bro, I literally woke up like 10 minutes. Maybe.
I know, bro. Trust me, I woke up to them calling me like outside my house already.
I almost missed the alarm. I was really close. Look how much. We haven't even started the day. The sun hasn't even came up and we're already down $104, bro. Look how much. Tonight, when we come back, it's gonna be empty again. Damn. Oh, you took the roof box off.
We're lightweight today. We're on a diet today.
Weight reduction?
Yeah.
So this is pretty sick. If you guys have seen everyone doing it, but we got the R8 on my dash. The G80 one looks cooler. I don't know why the R8 looks like that, but. Mark got a single turbo. You can literally hear it. Oh. Dude, that shit sounds crazy. Single turbo and equal length? That sounds insane. Mr. Kevin? Great. That's what I wish my F80 looked like. It's just so nice. Who matches the sun? Skittles today. All these bright ass colors. I do miss the mint green though. That color is so sick. It's like almost exactly like my G80. Look, you are hella early. We're here before AR Motorworks. We're about to put their booth right here. Again, the people who built my wheels. I just saw this crazy Corvette. I gotta find it. The engine was like outside of the hood, bro. I actually saw it at Cars and Coffee last weekend, but SF90 with BBSs. So sick to see supercars with BBSs, especially cars that you hardly see. I've never seen an SF90 with those wheels. Damn, that thing's crazy too. But this thing's nice too. Wide body Porsche. Damn, that's hard. Look at the wing. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. I saw this pulling in right now. I was like, there's no way. Oh my God, dude. What do you guys think? Do we gotta do that? I gotta do that to mine. Imagine, bro, this is a state rep. I don't know how he's driving it in California, bro. Just to put it in perspective, you could get pulled over for modified exhaust tips. My boy got the whole engine and turbos outside of the hood. That is ridiculous. But they got a whole row of C6s. I should have brought my car. But as you guys know, it's at Sam's shop right now, getting cam. It's at Sam's shop getting cam. But I gotta do this. That is ridiculous. As crazy as it looks, it also looks really ridiculous, bro. Like, the engine's literally outside of the hood, bro. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Sheesh. Bro, I haven't seen this guy in forever. What's up?
What's up, player?
I haven't seen you so long, bro.
I know. I want to bring my supercharged E92.
You saw my new one I got?
Bro, I know.
My new old one?
I sold the guy those wheels.
Really?
I swear to God, those came from me.
You want to buy them back?
Huh?
You want to buy them back?
I'll give you 40 bucks.
I can't wait till I start rebuilding my E92, guys.
No, I bought the
Really? Because of me? BMW needs to pay me, bro. I feel like I'm a big influence on people getting BMWs. You guys always tell me, like, I got my BMW because of you. BMW, where's my check, bro? I feel like I'm the biggest BMW promoter, bro. I don't know. Look, I literally bought my first BMW back. I'm really thinking of doing like the track setup, guys, like the big wing. Just take off the bags, put coilovers, fat tires, make it like a proper track spec E92. That's what I want to do. I've already done the stands, air suspension. I want to change it up. This is pretty cool. NSX, you hardly see that. And it's on BBSs, bro. Let's count how many BBS wheels are in this vlog. Someone count it up. That's just crazy, bro. Really?
Yeah.
I gotta do this to my vet.
Yeah, I know.
How do you not get pulled over, bro?
I stay wrapped already.
You did?
Yeah.
How fast was that?
Bro, I pulled over because I was leaking. My turbo was leaking.
Yeah.
So I pulled over, and I'm pulled over, and the cop pulls me over.
Dude.
Gives me a state rep.
I mean, bro, look at this shit. It's crazy. You can't even hide it.
I know.
Wow, look at these all chromed out. And guys, look, a P1. This is AR Motorworks booth. They got the P1 on LMs. I think it's probably the craziest car here. I mean, $1 million car with LMs on it. Probably the only P1 with BBSs too. They even got the matching hardware. I just realized. All this has like titanium to match like the purple on the wrap. And this is Ron, the owner's R34. Beautiful freaking GTR. Porsche GT3, and then my R8. I had to flip the car around real quick just to show off the silver side now. I feel like right now the silver looks fire in the sun. I can never pick which one I like better. I like both. That's a CS. CS boys with the cage. Sheesh. I should low-key take off my window tip, huh? I have that same cage and I never even get to see it. I like the little aero disc in the front. I want to do something like that on the R8. I feel like it would look cool. Like, just think about it. Most of these wheels are like 10K, bro. Some of the Porsches are even more. If they're center lock, I think it's like 14K. Those are for sure by 10, 11K. I know that because I have them too. I've actually seen this before. It's my homie's old car. I believe he sold it. But yeah, think about it. All these BBSs, count them up, bro. 10K, 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 14K, 14K. I really do need to buy a JDM. I know I see all the comments, guys, but what JDM do I get if I got one? R33, 32, S15, Supra. I think it would be a Supra or an R32, to be honest. I have to film this. This is one of my favorite G80s ever, bro. Look at the paint and the wheels. God damn, they're bright. Hella shiny. I think he had a cage in here before, but he must have took it out. I'm pretty sure he had a chrome cage to match the wheels. Got the buckets, of course, with the Agile bumper too. Laguna Seca blue. Oh, it's manual with the white buckets. Hard, dude. This is a clean spec. This color too, with those color wheels. It's like the perfect combination, and it's manual. I love seeing manual ones because not a lot of people have the manual G80s. Everyone prefers the X-Drive automatics, but it's so cool to see people with the manual still. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the last manual BMW ever made. And my boy got hella camber. Hey, this is a good time to talk about. Next week, I am shipping one of my cars to Gat, guys. Yes, we're going to Gat, Adlingburg, Tennessee, whatever it is. We're stancy enough. I'm excited, bro. I've never been before, but a lot of people have been telling me to go. They said it's gonna be crazy content. I hope it's worth it too, because I'm shipping my car and it's very expensive, bro. But I'm gonna go out there with my boy Chris Borges. We got an Airbnb together and we're shipping our cars together. But I need you guys' help. What car do I take? Gat is all stuff like that, like slammed, cambered cars. None of my cars look like that. I want to take the Vet because the Vet is just so sick, but I don't know if it'll be done in time from being cammed. I kind of want to take the R8, but at the same time, I've been driving the R8 everywhere. I took it to Monterey Car Week. It will definitely stand out over there. E92, definitely not. It looks ugly right now. It's not done yet. F80 will actually look good. I feel like the F80 definitely suits Gat. It's my most slammed car. The camper's crazy. And then lastly, my G80, but I feel like the G80 is complete opposite, bro. I'll be the only one there with like a drag pack, because everybody is slammed like this and cambered out. You guys tell me, what car should I take to Gat, and who's gonna be there? I'm excited to see everyone there. But I gotta hurry up and figure out what car to take, because next week we gotta put on a trailer and send it off. Only time I've ever done this was for Beamer Invasion, Florida. When I shipped my G80 out there earlier this year, it was so crazy to drive my car in a different state. It was so weird, but I'm excited. This one's fire. Another Laguna Seca Blue with some E88s. I feel like there's only like a handful of G80s with the E88s. Look at the interior on this thing. He got like full custom interior. Bro, this is fire. And yes, it's real paint. But it's just hard, dude.
Hey, remember I saw you with that one time in Irvine?
Oh yeah, I do remember that, yeah. This shit look completely different now, bro. Dude, it's insane. I love the wheels and the freaking seats.
Carbon back.
Bro, it's beautiful, bro. Oh, I didn't even notice that's carbon on there too, huh?
Real carbon buckets.
Shoot, Decal Connect, my boy. This might be the first time we finally get our R8s together now that mine's modified. We did cruise once, but my car was fully stock. It was when I first got it. I think sand black's for sure my next color though. That's exactly how it would look. Alright, we on the way home. All the homies. Guys, also by the way, looking at E92s. I already ordered wheels, suspension, and a bunch of carbon parts for the E92. I'm not wasting no time, bro. I'm gonna keep my E92 back to life. I can't wait. And we may or may not be putting a wing on it. Love that track look on the E92s. It just looks so aggressive. I want to hurry up and get the car looking decent so I can start driving it to car meets and stuff, because right now, I mean, you guys see the condition, it's not the best. We need to change out a lot. Also the wrap is the biggest thing, but I really need your guys' help. A lot of people were telling me to wrap it red in the last video. What do you guys think? I'm down for red, but I also got another color idea in my mind that I don't want to share, but I'm stuck between two colors right now. Or we do like a Tiffany blue again, like old times. You guys gotta help me out. But probably within like a month, that car's gonna look a lot different. Honestly, I have not been this excited for a build in a very long time. But spoiler or no spoiler, guys, I've never been a fan of like big spoilers, but I don't know, for some reason the E92 looks really good with it. Alright guys, it's been some time. I low-key went home, took a nap because I woke up way too early today, and now we're back outside in the R8. About to meet up with Ron, Landon. I think they're both bringing their GT3 RSs out. We're going to a night meet, so one car meet to another, bro. But it should be cool. Whole different vibe than the Cars and Coffee this morning. I am scared though, because the city that we're going in is known to be like cops everywhere, dude, so wish us luck. I think we have like the 3 loudest cars in LA too. This is a squad today. We got my R8, we got Landon's GT3 RS. That red is crazy, bro. Riley pulled up in his R8. I feel like everyone's here today. Twin turbo R8. Put the bumper on. I kind of like it without the bumper because you can see the turbos, but he doesn't want to get pulled over no more. He's already got pulled over once for it. Who got the loudest GT3 RS?
Yeah, why you keep saying that? We have the same exhaust.
They're literally the same, bro.
I say the same. Look at my TikTok. I say the same. He's the only one though. I just have I had to hate on it because
it's funny. It's funny. All the kids are arguing with each other in the chat, but they have the same exhaust, bro.
Nah, mine's a little louder.
Nah, mine's a little louder for sure. He's the only one I know that has that sound.
Yeah. Together, bro, on the freeway, that shit will be crazy. We gotta do it today. Like Ron also wrapped it. It used to be like a green color, and now it's sand black. Sand black is hard. Bro, both these guys' cars are too loud. It has to be the 2 loudest GT3 RSs. But it is funny. I see everyone arguing in the comments saying like Ron's is louder, Landon's louder. Bro, they're the same exact exhaust. But they've never like really cruised together. Today's kind of like the first time. It's loud? I think my pops are louder.
Remember the pig? Remember the meme?
The meat rider beat? Well, they literally sound the same, dude. No, that was ridiculous. I think everyone's meeting at the 7-Eleven and it is packed. The cops are already here. You hear that?
Yeah.
I think I hear like a twin turbo RA or Huracan. You can feel the bass.
Know that.
Crazy. What's up, man? What up, bro? What up? What up? What up? What up? Dude, this is insane.
Where do you even get to park right here?
Another GT3 RS is here. 720, I think. Bro, there's so many freaking cars. It is packed though. You can't even walk around. Where did Ron go, bro? I think he's getting like attacked over there. Bro, it's packed, dude. Look, you can't even see the cars.
This your BBF?
Please do not touch. Everyone's for sure touching it. Everyone's for sure touching it, Landon.
Chill, bro, chill.
Shooting flames? You know, I missed it, but I heard it over there, bro. It was this thing shooting flames. I knew it. Bro, I literally, I know. I'm gonna get him soon. I'm literally gonna twin turbo mine soon, but I don't know if we're gonna have this crazy flame kit. This dude has crazy flames. We'll see if we can get it later on. There's a Revolto here. Oh, I think this is the one with the LMs. My favorite Revolto, bro. Literally exactly what I would do, guys. BBS's, the same exact wheels that are on my RA on a sand black Revolto.
Like a Batmobile.
It's literally a Batmobile. And a Ferrari next to it. One of my favorite Ferraris. GT3 RS. You know what this reminds me of, guys? The In-N-Out Monterey Car Week. It was just like this. You couldn't even walk around, and it was like a full-on party, bro. One of the homies owns the 7-Eleven, so it's fully permitted, and he allowed everyone to come, as long as you're on the property. I know, it's kind of crazy, right? Good thing we got in. I didn't even notice there's an SVJ here. That's how packed it is. You can't even see the cars. Bro, I feel bad for my R8. It's for sure getting scratched over there. God, dude, that shit sounds so good. Can you buy one already? Buy one, bro.
Bro, you know I can't afford it.
Yeah, you. Damn. That's what you need. You need a bodyguard. God damn. What the fuck? I was about to burn the SVJ. About to cook your bumper. Even the homie with the SVJ is like, bro, you about to touch my bumper, bro. Are you gonna do it, brother? Okay, because I missed it. No, he's gonna put the exhaust on my car. This car shoots the craziest flames. There's no way, bro. Oh my God. That is insane, bro. I need that. I need my R8 to do that. Literally could feel the heat, bro. The flames on this. The flames are so sick, bro. How they come off the top. Look how good it sounds twin turbo. That's how my car's about to sound, bro. Oh my God. No way it's that fast.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, must be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.